Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Dewi Aprilia. You can call me Dewi. I'm from class B. Okay, in this video I will explain tips for doing the listening test. Okay, happy for watching. Okay, the first tip, focus on the second speaker. Part A consists of short dialogues and often the answer to the question are provided by the second speaker. So you can try repeating what the second speaker said to yourself to remember and answer the questions. This is an example. In this dialogue, the second speaker is the one who answered the question asked. The answer is B. Second tips, pay attention to the answer choices that are synonyms. While you're focusing on the second speaker, try to identify a keyword from the dialogues. If you find synonyms for those keywords in the answer choices, that's likely the correct answer. This is an example. The word had to, filled out, and application have the same meaning as was necessary, completed, and formed. So, the correct answer D. Third tip, avoid words that sound similar. You will most likely encounter 3 questions where the answer choices given sound similar to the words spoken in recording but have very different meaning. Don't fall for this trap, okay? This is an example. The key word in this dialogue is locked. The word locked choices A, locked choices B, and licked choices C. Sound quite similar to like, but they all have very different meaning and are tricks answer. So the correct answer is D. Fourth tip, learn how to draw conclusion for context. Some questions will ask you to draw conclusion from the dialogues. Consider the following example questions. This is an example you can see from the hints given: water, sand, and suntan lotions. That this conversation most likely takes place on a beach. So the correct answer is B. 5 tip, familiarize yourself with sentences that have more than one noun. Some questions in part A sometimes contain multiple nouns. Some test takers find this type of the question confusing. So consider the following example questions. This is an example. The second speaker mentioned 2 people's names, namely John and Sarah. It is stated that Sarah replaced John, so it can be concluded that Sarah was the one in the band, not John. So the correct answer is D. 6th tip, learn expression of agreement. There are many expressions of agreement besides I agree. Before taking the TOEFL test, you should first learn some expressions of agreement in English. This is an example. In this context, aren't they? In this an expression of agreement, not a question. So the correct answer in D.